God, please, no! 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 No!
Okay, folks. This was my campsite for the night. I slept here, used the table. Not all of them are glorious, but it'll do. Welcome back to the channel, to another Finnish adventure. I'm heading back into Sala. The time is 7:18. I'm gonna get some fuel. I need some water and maybe a couple of little snacky snacks, because today we ride to Norway. Right as I turn the camera back on, it turns to road. Oh man, not that the dirt road was much different. Dirt road was basically a road anyway. Oh, that's funny though. Oh, that's more off-road than what I've been doing. Oh man, funny. I wonder, is it going to change back to dirt? Oh, this is dirt. Yep. But it might as well be bloody bitumen or tarmac, sorry. I think I said this in my last video, but this is what I imagine the Dalton Highway to be, the road that heads up through Alaska to the north. Like, I imagine it to just be this flat dirt road that trucks go on. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think there is a mountain range that you cross over, or is there a couple? Anyway, maybe it's a little bit more up and downy and twisty and whatnot, but still, this is what I imagine it's like. Wide open spaces, don't you know? I don't know the words to this song, but I know wide open spaces. You know that song. I think it's just straight dirt roads from here on until I get to Norway. I'm excited to get into Norway actually. I don't really know what to expect. I mean, it could just be more of the same, but from the comments I've seen, it's a lot nicer. Or it's something worth doing. But I think that was talking about down lower, like Trondheim way. Is that the area? Trondheim? Anyway, soon I suppose, do the trees start getting thinner? I mean, this is logged, that's why it's thinner, but when does the forest run out and I get onto the tundra of the Lapland? This road's actually quite busy. Yeah, like I've passed 3 or 4 cars already, actually, like going my direction. I've passed them, and a couple coming back this way, so it's pretty busy. I wasn't expecting it right up north here that, you know, there's people. People live here. Crazies. Crazy people. If you live here, write down in the comments where you live. And why? Why do you live here? And what do you do? Do you just like snowmobile in the winter and then quad bike in the summer? Ice fishing, bit of sauna, hunting, I suppose. I wonder if you live out here, do you have internet? Do you bother watching things like this? Or are you too busy being a man? The manliest man. Hunter-gatherer, foraging for food and killing bears with your bare hands. Eating meat off the bone. What a man. Anyway, let me know down in the comments if you live here. And what do you do? So today I'm gonna punch out a few 100 kilometers. I want to get into Norway today. So again, I'm doing something that I don't particularly like doing, but at the same time, these roads aren't particularly challenging either, so I'm not getting as worn out doing it. Whereas like TET Estonia, I think I could do 100 kilometers and I'd need to have a break. There's some bloody difficult sections there coming from Tallinn. Ooh. There's a reindeer. Dancer and Blitzen and Vitzen and Rudolph and I don't know the other names. I think I even threw in a name that wasn't there. He's on his summer break. He doesn't need to do anything for Santa right now. So he's just relaxing. Running the roads of Finland. All the way to Norway. And craziness has set in. He's officially hit it. Look at this. Look. Straight. Just a straight dirt road. Please explain. Come here. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. It's from a show in Australia called Kath and Kim. If you haven't seen it, look it up. Look it up and watch it. It's a funny one. TV show. Australian humour. Big in the 90s. 90s or the 2000s? I can't remember actually. I remember I used to watch it growing up as a kid. Or my mum used to watch it and I used to watch when she was watching. So I was thinking at the end of this trip, I'm going to do a video of what I like and what I dislike about this motorbike. What do you guys reckon? Like, give us a thumbs up in the comment if you want to see that, because there are a few things that I dislike, or a few, yeah. There's a couple of things that I don't like, and they might not be what you think. Anyway, give us a thumbs up in the comments section if you want to see that video. The sit-down rider going around the corner, sitting on his butt, doing a thing. Yes, it is much better to be standing up off-road, but you can't stand up all day long, so you do need to sit as well. And now we go right. At intersections like this, I like to really slow down, because you never know. You never know who has right of way or anything. The other person doesn't know who has right of way, and so I just like to slow right down. Don't do anything irrational. That's good. I'm recording. I'm not just talking to myself. I'm talking to you. This whole trip on the trails, I've seen 2 motorcycles on the trails actually doing the TET, and they were coming the other direction and they were together. And that's it. I have seen no one else, which I'm quite surprised about, actually. Although, to be honest, I've not seen anyone on the Estonian TET trails either, so I don't know. Today is Saturday, so I would assume there would be more people out and about doing things. But I am also in one of the more remote areas of Finland, so maybe that's counteracting the Saturdayness. There was a campsite. Ooh, ooh. Anyway, I was surprised about that. So just remember, guys, if you're going to do this solo, like I am, you're probably not going to see anyone. Or it's very rare that you'll see people. So take care while you're going solo, because it could be a long time for someone to come for help. I think that other TET rider that I saw, or what I would assume was a TET rider, because he was on like a KTM 990 or something. He had his saddlebags on, he was a bit dirty, so I assume he was a TET rider. I think he must have been going in the other direction, because I'm the fastest man alive on a motorcycle and I haven't caught him yet. Right? Right? Agree with me. Agree with me or don't say anything.
It was at this point during the day that I started to lose my mind, so I tried to entertain myself in other ways. I hope you enjoy the next few minutes of my video.
Oh God, slow down. I see a little silhouette of a deer. Scaramouche, Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolts and lightning, he got off the road, Scaramouche. Is that how it goes? That's the song, right? Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, 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 Galileo. I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity. Will he come? Will he go? Will you let me go? We will not go. We will not let you go. Let him go. We will not let you go. Let him go. No, 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 no. Oh, mamma mia, Figaro. For me, for me, for me. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eye? Oh no. Excusez-moi, can I pass through? I think this is like a deer stopper or something, because it is not locked. Yes, I believe you are allowed to pass through. At least this is what I believe. Quickly, dear! Quick! Get in here! I just do this. Just go neutral it. And always remember to close the gate when you're done. Peoples? Always close the gate. That was making a noise. I was ready for a deer. The road has taken its toll on my brain. Hey, get on up. Get up. Get on up. I'm a sex machine. I don't know why I'm doing the guns, but anyway. Stay out of my gate. Carry on, shall we? What do you reckon? Yeah? Okay. Leave the rabbit-proof fence behind. Ugh! It's not rabbit-proof. I don't know what it's for. Bears, maybe. Maybe it's for bears. That would make more sense. And if you're going to write in the comments, what a nut job, go for it. Because I am. Absolutely. Oh! I forgot my cable. Doo-da, doo-da. I better put it back in. Oh, doo-doo-da-day. This is my charging cable. Because I can charge on the fly. Which is very good. Because it means... Oh, can I get it in? There we go. Yeah, it's very nice because it means I can charge while riding. It doesn't actually get in the way. I mean, if I have an off, it might rip out from my face. Oh, pothole. But that just means don't have an off. You know, be good. Oh, it was very clear water. Time to do some sketchy doo-da, doo-da. Hope I get away with it. Do-do-do-da-day. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah. I get a feeling that Finland has a straight road. I get that feeling. And it's a bit bouncy here. Less maintained. Yeah. But that's okay, cause I get the that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling. Yeah. Okay, we gotta turn. Turn the corner. Turn. Yes, we did it. Turn the next corner. Yes. Yay. So amazing. I have turned the corners. Oh, there's another one. Oh my god. Yes! I did it again, guys. Corner, corner, corner. I like corners in the corner world.